Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be looking at my portfolio and specifically how I was able to make right around $2,000-3,000 in the month of this month. Let's check out how much I made. All right, so right now it says you're at $12,946.61, which today we are down 0.52%, which is $67.33. And let's look at the week. And at this week, we are up 26.15%, which is $2,683.73. And that is totally abnormal. This usually does not happen in the stock market, especially if you are investing for the super long term. It's rare where you see huge days where you get of 20% in a week. That's very, very rare. And in the past month, we are up 33.03%, which is $3,214.59. And let's go over the portfolio. The first one I have here is Innovative Industrial Properties, ticker symbol IIPR. We're going to look at the past week. And in the past week, we are down 9.76%, which is $7.32. And in the past month, we are down 28.62%, which is down to 27.14. As you see, I have about 17 shares a day with the average cost of $107.52. I do believe that it may drop even more because if we look here, right now it's at 67.69. I was expecting it to stop and drop right around $75, but it went right through it. And right now we're at 76. So the next big drop will be down to 65. And after that, it can keep going down even more. So we're going to see how low this can go. This is a REIT, one of the rare ones where this is a cannabis REIT. As you see, it has a dividend of about 2.64%. The earnings have been going in a positive direction, which is good, but just the cannabis sector right now is getting hammered, so we're gonna have to wait for a bounce back. But in the long term, I believe these cannabis stocks could be going up to where they were before. As you see, at a 52-week high, this stock was at around 139, so it's well below 50% of what it was. But as you see, the 52-week low was 39, so this stock is still relatively new, so there's going to be a lot of volatility. But the next one that we have here is Activision stock. Activision, we look at the past week, we are down 2.03%, which is $1.13. And in the past month, we are up 0.61%, which is just 33 cents. I do have 15 shares in this position. I am up 12%, 12.4%, which is $90. Pretty good. Pretty good position so far. 12% is great, good return. The next one is Facebook. I've been holding Facebook for quite a while. My average cost is 176.27. But let's look at the overall month. And in this month, we are up 5.75%, which is $10.37. And as you see, the total return is 8.28%. Pretty good. And it's getting back to its all-time highs of around, I believe it was $208. So around $18 more, and it will hit its all-time highs. And that would be good enough for us. Next one we have here is NVDA. NVDA is at 207 right now, and in the past month it is up 18%, which is $31.66. I have 17 shares. My average cost is at 179, so we are up 15.57% so far, and that's about $474 in the green. That's very good. Next one we have here is Square stock. I have 7 shares at 65.05. I am down in this position about 3.39%, which is about $15.43. Let's check out the month. And in the past month, it is up 3.07%, which is $1.87. And Square stock is one of those stocks where I believe it can get back to where it was before, which was around $100 stock, or at least close to $100 stock. So if you can get back to that, I'll sell off these shares. This is just a super small position that I've had for a little while. I don't even think I've had this for 6 months yet, but if it can get back to where it was, I can get my gain. I get a gain and then sell off, and then put this money into something else. That would be great. And the next one is the big one I have is Tesla. In the past month, it is up 35%, and this is the main culprit to the gains that I've been having. 35% up in the month, and if that's at $85, in the green. As you see, I had this, but my portfolio diversity used to be about 40%, but it jumped up so much once it gained that much. As you see, my total return so far it's 32.39%, $2,889.17. I don't plan on selling this, at least for the next few years. I do believe the stock could triple, quadruple in the next 5 to 10 years. Hopefully, in the next 5 years, I believe this company can be up to $1,000 because, as you see, market cap's at 58.78, and as this company has the potential to sell millions of cars in the future. So, and they have so many different ideas with their ride sharing, which if that happens, that's basically like another company, a main business inside of its the already a pretty big business in itself. And then it has solar city or whatever that they have, the solar business, which even Elon Musk himself said that could be a huge business, which we still have to wait and see for that and see how the numbers go for that. But as you see, this is the main one that's been giving our portfolio up as high as it has so far. The next one is Aurora Cannabis. I have 3 cannabis stocks. This is the second one that I have. And in the past month, it is down 21.7%. And as you see, I have 18 shares, super small position. My total return is down 47.46%, which is $59.83. I believe that in the next 5 to 10 years, this company can be pretty damn big, considering it's the second or third up there in the cannabis sector. I'd say if I can max out my Tesla gains, and then we can start seeing all these cannabis companies start bringing up the numbers and the hype that was expected, I can transfer that Tesla stock money into this one, and then 10 times my money in Tesla stock, then 10 times my money in Aurora Cannabis. That would be ideal, but we never know what happens in the future, so we have to keep our eyes open. But I do believe Tesla stock could 10 times our position, hopefully. If it does, that'll be amazing. I mean, even if it doubles from now, that's amazing. But so far I'm in the green and I'm happy with it. Can't be too greedy, but we have to wait and see what happens and how the numbers come out. And same thing with Aurora Cannabis. Right now it's in its lows. As you see, in the past 5 years, it is getting back down to where it used to be a few years ago. And it's been doing pretty well. The numbers, but it hasn't been doing what it has been expected of it. And you know what? It's the early days, so you just have to wait and see. And the last one I have here is Canopy Growth. Another one. I think this is the main player. 8 shares. I am down 44.86%. 44.86%, which is $140.85. And as you see, also in the past year, it is down, all-time lows right now. And as you see, I do have super small positions in both Aurora Cannabis and Canopy Growth. But the other one I have here, IIPR, it's a pretty biggish position, 6%, not really that big. And I had to start adding some more money so I can start loading off of a Tesla, because Tesla is such a big position I have right now that's the only one that's really running my account. But it's doing good right now, so it might seem that I'm a genius, but that was just good. Even if the stock went down to $100, I'll still be in it. I wouldn't change my mind about it unless like something devastating happened to the company, like I don't know, let's just say they just stopped selling cars, and of course that would be a big thing. That would be a huge thing for me. I would have to sell it right then and there. And that's all that I have to say so far about my portfolio. As you see, 3,000 in the past month with just this small investment of around 12,000, which was 9,000 before this month started. Can we see these numbers go up even more? Yes, we can. Tesla stock is on fire. I believe in the next 2 or 3 years. Probably double my position, double it. And right now, as you see, Tesla stock, I have 11,000. Can Tesla get to $600, which bring the market cap of above 100 billion? Maybe. We're gonna have to see if it can continue to where it's been going. Yeah, I believe that this company can double, and that would mean that my equity would go up to $23,000. $23,000 in this, and you would start seeing my portfolio skyrocketing up. And that's all I have for you guys today. Please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on. We're on our road to 1,000 subscribers. I'm starting to grind for it. I'm gonna start posting more videos, more casual videos like this, so we can talk about the portfolio, some ideas that I have, basically about anything. So, and that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next one.